You see all these little ripples in the pool here? These are these little fish. When the tide goes out, they're so resilient that this water can heat up to 60, 70, even 80 degrees. And even though they're typically in the ocean water here, which is 30 to 50, they're able to survive. But we're gonna take this net and swipe through. I'll just see what we can get. We get a pile of mummichogs. Look at these guys. How pretty they are. Look at that color. I'm gonna grab this big one right here. Look at that. Tilt her on her side and look at the color. Hi there. Boop. That is one of the bigger mummichogs I've ever caught. Super cool fish, super resilient. Can withstand low temperatures, high temperatures, lots of oxygen, no oxygen, salt water, fresh water, no water. Let's just observe them for a minute. I think most of these are the big fat females that are full of eggs. And the smaller ones are the males. There's the female, the males. They're happy as anything in this little tank. We're putting them in this little glass tank so we can better observe them. Oh, there's a nice handful. You gotta transfer them pretty fast because they are frisky. I dropped one down here. What's cool about mummichogs is you could leave this fish lying on the lawn for days and it would be fine.